So rather than we having to teach our users to learn how to use AI, I think that's a mistake because we don't want our users or our customers or humans in general to learn one more new thing. The short answer is complex, and I don't think anyone's achieved it yet. So I think that it's a very new journey. So let me give an example is that initially it was just text and conversation. Then we started bringing in web search. Then it's like about managing conversations. Then it's like I gotta remember things in this conversation, across this conversation. Oh, I need to bring in context from my documents. I need to bring in from my enterprise documents. Oh, but I need to actually get something created right now here itself and have artifacts coming in out here. Oh, but you know what? Why should I actually have the synchronous? I want to make it asynchronous, and let me just give the task and come back later. And you have deep research and you have Codex today. It's crazy, right? I mean, we're talking about like 18 months in which you've gone from a very, very simple chatbot to all of these things. The same applies to our product as well, right? I mean, we started conversations. It was very simplistic, but it still was a leapfrog ahead of what we could otherwise do with a rigid SaaS approach. But where I really see, I think where the real adoption is going to come, and I'm very excited to build for that, is that from DIY to DFY. So from do it yourself to being done for you. I think that's the true power of AI and AI agents, is that getting it done for you. So rather than we having to teach our users to learn how to use AI, I think that's a mistake because we don't want our users or our customers or humans in general to learn one more new thing. We have this ability now to kind of get things done for the human and really truly augment them. And I think that's really where the true power comes, because there are multiple ways in which you can augment. One is like just say, hey, give me a problem, I'll solve it. Now, I won't call it training, but I'll call it expectation setting, is that what are those tasks that you can give it, right? If you just say, hey, I want to increase my sales, that's not going to get you anywhere, right?
Yeah.
It's going to give you a huge plan that does nothing.
And you might as well just have the AI do your job then, which is not the purpose.
Your bosses, and your boss's job, right? So I think just saying something like increase my sales will not get you anywhere. So I think expectation setting is important, is that how do you actually define the task? How do you think that you're going to contribute to the organization in that day? And then give those tasks to the AI to kind of augment that for you. I think that's a good approach to look at it. The other way is that it's proactive, where it says, hey, look, and it's going to take shape in many forms. Microsoft is doing a ton of stuff on that. Google is doing a ton of that. We're doing some stuff on that as well. So the thing is that, hey, if something is happening in the environment today that might affect my company, my brand, my function, my role, how can I actually be ready for that before I even start my day, right? Yep. So if I woke up and I've not even had my morning coffee, but there's already a high court judgment that says, they're going to ban tariffs, and then 18 hours after that, there's an appeals court that says, hey, we're going to stay on that. Now, when you wake up the next morning, where are you at? I mean, are they going to be tariffs or not? And does it affect your short-term strategy? What does it mean for your mid-term and long-term strategy, right? So imagine if you could have those questions answered for you even before you start your day, right? It's like saying, hey, if I had to ask my customers beforehand, and we have this feature today actually, if the tariff does happen and the price increase by 20%, how likely are you to delay this purchase and not make this purchase? Or would it be 50% and you're okay with 15% because it's like a 20-year investment? So how does that play out in these customers' minds? So for me, that's the most exciting part, is that you can be proactive, you can be personalized, and you can prioritize.